snare wire came in handy again. It's pretty windy right now. You can see the side moving. And we had to put snare wire around the stove to the damper to hold it down, because the wind lifted it off the stove a bit. Should be good now. Oh, this is all that burning glue. It's pretty well.
You feel the difference?
Hey?
Back here with that wind blowing like that.
Yeah, sucks the heat right out of here, eh?
Yeah, it's cooler there now.
Yeah. I think that's old glue. Yeah. Got my boots there now. Got my camo gear ready to go for the morning.